Welcome back. In this video, we will discuss the search and find functions in Excel. These functions help us locate the position of a specific character or word within text. These functions are extremely helpful when working with structured data like email IDs, invoice numbers, codes, etc. The search function finds the position of a specific character or a substring within another text string. This function is not case sensitive. The find function also works in a similar way like the search function. The difference is that it is case sensitive. Let us understand how we can use the search and find functions in Excel. In column E, we have the mail IDs, and we will be searching for the at sign within these mail IDs. To search the at sign, we will type is equal to search, bracket open. The first input is find text. So within quotes, we'll type the at sign, comma, and then within text. So we are searching it within this mail ID. The third input is start number is optional. So we'll leave it blank, close the bracket and enter. So the at sign is the 12th character within this mail ID. We can use the find function also in the similar way. So we'll type is equal to find. The first input is find text. So we are searching for at sign. So we'll type it within quotes, comma, and then where to find it? We have to find it within the mail IDs, close the bracket and enter. So we get the same answer as in the search function. Now let's understand the difference between search and find function. So we'll use it again for the second example. So we'll type is equal to search, bracket open, and in this name we have Ravi with a small r. So we'll be searching Ravi with a capital R within quotes and then link it to the text, close the bracket and enter. So we get the answer that R is the first character in this mail ID. If I type the same function, so find bracket open within quotes capital R and then link it to the text, close the bracket and enter. So we get an error. While search function is not case sensitive, the find function is case sensitive. So that is the only difference between these two functions. These functions are useful when we want to search for a particular character within a text string. Thank you.